Chapter 14. How to be a loyal team player. One day, Swami Vivekananda was walking through a lane when he saw few children fighting for their chance when they were playing gilli danda. He stopped by to watch their game. One of them was stronger than the other kids, and he snatched away the danda, a kind of bat, and started striking. Other children were disappointed at this. Swami Vivekananda called all of them and started talking with them. What are you kids playing?
Gilli danda. It is played like this. Lift the danda and strike the small piece of wood. The farther it goes, the more point you gain. One who is able to throw it off to a greater distance becomes the winner.
I can count your 6 children here. So do you play in groups?
No, we play our turns each.
Wouldn't it be nice to play in teams? 3 players in each team. It will help you make bigger score than you make individually and will be satisfying at the end of your play as well.
That's okay, but this way I'll not get much time to play if we form teams.
Of course you will have. And you will have a strengthened team. If someone is good at striker's end, he can balance the one who is poor at striking, but is good at fielding. Deep is passing by on the time machine. He stops by seeing Swami Vivekananda with the kids.
What are you doing with these kids, Swamiji?
I am telling them about the importance of playing in a team. As a team, you have to be more cooperative to the other and remember that each member is important for the game and the team. So listen to everybody's point of view.
When I was volunteering for Commonwealth Games, I formed a team with Sangeeta, and through that association, I learned many things in English language. Likewise, working in team can help you in your individual growth as well.
So, what are the things we should keep in mind while forming a team?
A team is not like any group. In a team, one works to achieve a common goal. It is result-driven. Like when you children were playing, each of you wanted to win. But the fact is that only one among 6 of you can win. So winning becomes the result and your play becomes result-driven. And a team always works under the supervision of a leader, one who can take decisions good for the team.
Also, the members of the team must know that for winning, they have to work together. The more the number of players, more is the fun as the competition becomes challenging. Become a player whom your teammates or colleagues can rely on and trust on the field.
When you're a part of a team, exhibit flexibility. Conditions of the team may change on and off depending on the circumstances. And you must be ready to adapt to the ways the team adopts, in consultation with its leader, without making an issue.
So what are you waiting for, friends? Go and form teams to play. I wish I could join you, had I not been bound by time.